Welcome friends, my name is Maximilian. Join me today as I show you the quickest and the easiest way to add a fastener in Autodesk Inventor Assembly. Quickly diving into fasteners, from the Assembly tab, locate Place from Content Center, and that's how easy Autodesk has done for us to place the fasteners on our assembly. And then we have a really beautiful interactive window that shows up, and at the same time as you place your fastener, notice how it beautifully highlights your planes and your holes so that you can place, or it can guide your fastener through the hole. And at the same time, notice how you can also change the length of the fastener. In which case, in this particular case, we're dealing with a bolt. We also have ways of changing properties of these bolts, such that you can change the size of the bolt or several other features, like maybe add a nut, a washer. As you can see, this is how I'm doing it. So have fun doing this. I hope you are learning something really important. Bye bye, and thank you for watching. Till next time, have fun.